5.7 Hemi with the lifter issue. Oil pan's off because you got to remove the oil pump on the front. Here's all the parts. Oil pan, 2 heads. Of course, this head's got 2 broken studs. A whole tray of parts here. Water pump, timing cover, oil pump, balancer, bunch of bolts, coil packs. And we got the rockers, the timing chain, valve covers, the intake, air filter. And right here, big groove in the lobe. Not the worst one I've ever seen. Still got the lobe on it. Still pushes it up. Didn't have a misfire, but it's a huge groove in the lobe. Then the lifters. There's 2 of them. Well, here's one right here. You can see it's got up and down movement. Not supposed to have that. Here's a good one. No up and down movement at all. And you can see the actual roller is above this arm right here on the lifter. On the bad one, you can't even see the roller hardly. And actually the cam rides on. You can see this is machined off a little bit. That's from riding on that lobe. So, nice little job. Car is quiet right now. Just started it up. So it's cold. It rattled a little bit when I first started, which is normal. But right now it's quiet at a cold start. All right, here it is, fully warmed up. Took it out for about 15 minutes, probably 7-8 miles, maybe a little less. And it sounds like shit. Definitely got a lifter rattle. Sounds like it's on both sides too. Definitely on both sides.